Toni, it's so nice to have you here. We've been both in the brow business for over 15 years. And it's so great we work together now and we can share your great signature brow technique to the rest of the world. Yeah. Of course, I saw your beautiful treatment and I have some questions for you. The first one, what exactly is brow lamination with hybrid and what makes it different from a normal hybrid?
So brow lamination with a soft hybrid is the lamination treatment with a softer, more natural ombre stain effect through hybrid tinting over the top. Whereas a normal hybrid stain over lamination is preferred for me for a model with thinner areas or areas that may have previously been removed and need filling in with a slightly denser stain.
So how do you choose the right shade for your client?
Personally, I don't choose the client's shade. I always ask them the question as to what they would prefer. Just because someone is blonde, it doesn't always mean they're going to want blonde brows. For example, yesterday's model, one was a medium natural brown, but wished for a shade darker than her natural hair. And one model, as you know, was very, very blonde, but had previously dyed her own eyebrows black prior for our treatment yesterday. She then wished for me to complete the treatment also dark, but adding in a bit of warmth and tone as they were very cold naturally. And I just think working with your client is what matters, as they're the ones that are going to pay you ultimately for the service.
I saw you using our beautiful point tweezer. Do you always use a point tweezer instead of a slanted tweezer?
Always. So I'm very much a pointed tweezer girl. Everyone will know me for pointed tweezers. I personally don't work well with a slanted tweezer. For me, a pointed tweezer, specifically your own, allows for a more precise removal. And I just think tweezers, though, can be personal preference.
So what do you advise your clients in aftercare?
So my recommendations of choice for daily aftercare would be the repair serum first. I find this also gives a nice set to the brow. It helps the lamy lift again, and then followed by either the Wonder Brow or the keratin leave-in treatment. I personally use a mixture of all three of these.
You're also well known for your content. Can you tell me why is content, beautiful content, so important for brow specialists nowadays?
I just think content is your portfolio, and I've just learned on the job as I've gone. No one's ever taught me how or what to do content-wise. As I've been in the industry for such a long time, I've just naturally found my signature way of posting that feels authentic to me. I think content allows students to find me in terms of an educator and what I offer in terms of education. And then for client, posting client photos helps more clients come through the door for people as they can see what's physically on offer. I really believe you can help grow your brand's voice through your content.
So we've been following you for a long time. And when did you start taking content seriously? And what was the moment where you realized the impact of it?
I think there was never a moment that I sat there and decided to start taking it really seriously. And I don't ever put the pressure on myself, otherwise I feel like it looks forced. And then you would fall out of love with it very quickly. So for me, I just post what I love, what I'm proud of, post when I feel like I wish to. And I think naturally your own self shines through best this way. The more you love what you post, the more you want to post, and the more of a true organic following you will gain.
So what matters more, in your opinion, consistency or perfection when it comes to content?
After spending a few days with you, you'll probably know, for me, perfection comes way before consistency. Yeah. I wouldn't be able to consistently post if I wasn't proud of my work. And then panic sets in and you feel like then you're not posting enough and it's a vicious circle. I am a bit of a perfectionist in everything else that I do in my life. I'm very OCD. Therefore, when my work is perfect, I want to post it. And I think consistency naturally grows this way.